This flight will venture from the canyon's southern rim to its northern rim and back. The first moments of the flight are over the Kaibab National Forest. What guests don't realize is that suddenly the land below them will disappear and they'll be winging over one of the grandest sights in the world. We asked passengers about their feelings about their flight.
You can really see down into the forest, and then you go over the rim, and it's just like, whoops, wow.
It was just amazing. It's the best thing I've ever done.
It was so beautiful and so peaceful. It was an experience I'll never forget.
The Grand Canyon itself is massive, some 277 river miles long and a half mile to over 18 miles in width and 1 mile deep. The flight simply takes people's breath away.
And just looking down into it just gave you this perspective that was just so astonishing. It was just absolutely gorgeous. I can't even think of anything that I've seen like it before.
Of all the ways to explore the Grand Canyon, these eco-flights have a truly minimal impact, leaving only a passing shadow. The first segment of this adventure is about to be achieved as the helicopter approaches the canyon's northern rim. Here, the pilot will change course, heading back to the south rim, but along a new flyway that has many more unforgettable sights. The color, scale, and uniqueness of this seventh wonder excites all who fly through it.